You ever heard people say, just get started? Well, here we are. It wasn't a very popular series of videos, even though I only made 2 of them, I guess. But I used to do videos called Off Week, and I really liked making them. So whether they were popular or not, I'm going to start doing them again. It's just me talking to the camera about what's going on, what I've been working on, and maybe some stuff I've been watching. Anyway, it is freezing here in upstate New York, and if you can't tell by the way I look, I've been very sick. Woke up last night with a fever and puking, but no one's home right now, and I figured I'd take this opportunity to come out here and just kind of throw something together quickly. I got contacted by a company to collaborate, and I was very excited about it, and when I wrote back to them, they stopped writing back to me. I don't know if it was like a prank or something. They were like, hey, let's pretend we want to sponsor this guy, and then when the time comes, we'll just ignore him. It was a company that does lighting, and I was going to redo this whole back wall right here, and put some lights back there and stuff, so I had a nice backdrop for these videos. But I still haven't heard back, so we'll see where that goes. Last week I did the entryway table. Oh man, I got a lot of really nice comments on that. Thank you guys so much for all the nice comments and all the kind words. That one was a huge pain in my ass to make, but I really enjoyed the challenge. And once I got it up and on YouTube, I was really happy with all the positive feedback. I feel like I'm too close to the camera. Hold on, try backing up a bit. That would have involved more tilting of the camera and stuff, and I've got everything precariously sitting here on top of this because I broke the thing that holds my microphone by dropping this old fucking piece of shit camera. Alright, what else? I wrote some things down that I was like, I'll just kind of chat about these. Let's see. So yeah, just get started. Back to that real quick. I kind of did that with this channel. I didn't really know what I was doing at the beginning. I just was throwing videos together, and I figured I'd give it a try because, you know, just thought it'd be fun. And it's gotten me to over 11,000 subscribers at this point, so that's pretty exciting for me. I know it's not that much, but to me it means a lot. So thank you all very much for that. I have a video I'm working on currently with shop upgrades, just some things around the shop, including dust collection, an outfeed table, and a little miter saw station. That video should be out next week. I'm super excited to have dust collection in here. I actually grabbed all this 70s wood paneling from a friend of mine, and I'm tempted to gut this whole entire thing again, like I did for that video where I made all the VHS setup and stuff back there. But I was thinking about gutting this and putting in all that 70s wood paneling and giving it all a new look once again. We'll see. The barn. If you follow this channel, you know that I have been starting to get to work on the barn. I really haven't done much. I've just been trying to get the, what is it called? Proper vent up in the ceilings upstairs, and then I bought all of the insulation, and I'll be putting that in as soon as I can get all the wiring in, which I bought all the wiring, but I need a little bit of help with the wiring because I'm not an electrician and I don't want to burn it down. So it's a slow process, but I really just wanted to get the upstairs done, and then maybe once summer comes around, if I make some more money off of these YouTube videos, I can start investing into doing the downstairs. So if you watch this channel, I'm sure you've all seen the channel Make Something with David Prosciutto. But yesterday I ended up watching his newest video. I think it's his newest video. It's a tribute to David Lynch. It's my favorite video that David Prosciutto's ever done. It's so good. I highly recommend you go check it out. There's a link in my description down below. I won't get too much into it because he says it way better than I ever could, but he gets into what inspires him and how David Lynch has inspired him so much. And his video about David Lynch inspiring him inspired me, so I just wanted to pass it on to everybody. He reminded me why I started this channel in the first place. I just love making videos and I love creating stuff, and it shouldn't be about anything other than that. Go check it out. And I guess that's about it. So keep an eye out for the video about the small shop dust collection, and I don't know. I'll see you later. Bye.
Late free, no pants. Whoa!